Hello! Magkakayak tayo today. Kakatapos lang ng work namin ni Kim and then dumiretso na kami dediretso kami dun sa kung saan kami magkakayak. Hindi na kami umuwi kasi traffic and mabitin yung oras. So.
True. Alright. I'm gonna drive first, guys. BRB. We're here. Rocky Point Kayak. Rocky Point Park. Rocky Point Park. There. It's cute. So now we're away from Vancouver. It's in Port Moody. Hindi ko din alam. I think over there because there's people. They have pahos here. Huh? Dito daw sa sidewalk until the boat launch. Here, we got our life vests and our paddle. Is this called a paddle? And then we're gonna go kayaking. It's really hot today.
I didn't expect it to be hot.
Me
To
too.
be this hot.
May event sila dito, parang stampede.
Doon ba?
All the way around though. It's nice here pala. It's very quiet. I've never been here. So this costs $72
For two.
for two people because we only have one kayak. And it's a 2-hour rental. So the water is nice and calm, right? It's good.
I didn't bring my hat. Ang dami hindi natin matulog.
May hat ka dun sa car.
Wala.
Yung alo?
Wala. Nasa
Oh.
bahay.
I see. Saan kaya ang boat launch na? Alright, we're on the kayak now. The water is pretty calm, so yeah, and pretty nice. Alright, so we're facing this way because it's too sunny and it's hitting our faces. But look, water is green, and I don't know why this is called Rocky Point Park. So apparently it has to be like this. Like you can see Warner. And then we also have pedals in here, but we don't know what it's for. Oh, we're turning around again, so we gotta turn. Alright, BRB. Look, the water is so calm. Another kayak couple, and there's us. You guys see that? Crazy nice. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all these houses. They're so nice. May nahulog dun sa ano nila, paddleboard. Where are they? Right there. These houses are so nice, like multi-million-dollar homes. Look at this one right here. Damn, crazy. Guys, we saw a seal. There's 2 of them. Did you see? 2? They were over there kanina, over there. Pretty, but it's burning us. You see the I think that's an airplane or helicopter. Alright. We have about 30 minutes left. We've gone like everywhere actually. So it's pretty nice. Ah! Cutie. City of the Arts. I didn't know that that's what Port Moody is known for. Yeah, we're just gonna go back over there. There's stands over here, like for like food and stuff. And there's more people now than there was earlier, so maybe it comes alive at night. Just gotta return these paddles and then maybe walk around for a bit. Yeah. Oh yeah, the stores are open now. That's cool. It's like a
proper footwear.
like a beer fest. Oh, look, because we came from work and we just what the heck? We just bought these, like these shorts. These shorts. We just bought it so we can go directly here. There are the stands for eating stuff. This is what the thing is for Stampede also. So, ayan, may mga seats and then may mga vendors doon. Apparently, the girl said, the one that works here, that there's like a rib fest going on.
Yeah.
And then it lasts for the weekend only. So it starts tomorrow until Sunday. And I think they're just competing to be the best ribs in BC or Canada.
Like, I think well, those are people from everywhere.
Yeah. So pretty cool. So there's an event going on here tomorrow. That's why there's lots of setup. I think Rocky. So Kat is looking for ice cream, but I want to go to bingo. So we're gonna go get ice cream so we can go to bingo.
Anong oras na yung bingo?
At 8.
Ang tagal pa pala.
It's already 7:30. No, we can get ice cream because I think it's like 15 minutes away.
Saan ba yung bingo?
At a pub. A brewery. It's at a brewery. Kat's buying a pop right now. Look at all these lavenders. Cute. Huh? We can go after bingo.
No, saan sila bumili na ice cream?
I don't know. Somewhere here probably. They still have the cones.
Ay, ano yun? Nakakuha kami ng guys, ng ice cream na doon sa Malapit lang pala to. Malapit lang yung marble slab pala doon sa kung saan kami nagkayak. 11 minutes lang siya. And, ang tawag nito? Pabalik na kami doon sa area na yon, sa isang brewery doon kasi magkakaroon daw ng bingo. Pupunta kami, magjo-join kami sa bingo, pero siguro hindi kami magtatagal kasi 8 na and may work pa bukas. Magta-try lang for fun. And yeah, so yung flavor pala namin ito, yung chocolate Swiss, yun yung lagi namin kinukuha. And then yung toppings, same lang, marshmallows, cookie dough, yung mga ganun. Pero kasi si Kim yung may gusto ng cookie dough, ako yung marshmallow, so same lang. But yeah, pabalik na kami. DC na naman. Pabalik na kami doon, guys.
We're here near the brewery and
Ilaman pa to?
yeah. And we're parked right next to the same exact car. And the brewery. So we figured out that all of these are all breweries. So they're just a lane of breweries. Pretty cool. And we're gonna go to Twin Sails. And then this is another brewery. That's another brewery. That's another brewery. That's another brewery. Lots of breweries here. But anyways, we're gonna go there.
22. Ooh.
Cute. So we're going home now because it's already 9. So we're just gonna head home. We've got a long day ahead tomorrow too. So yeah, let's drive home. This is about like a 30-minute drive from our house. So
Yun yung moon, guys. So, ang laki-laki. Kasi full moon na ngayong Sunday. Laki, no? Super, super bright din. Lapit na kami sa bahay. And magna 9:30 na ng gabi. Pero, maano pa din. Bright pa din. And kitang-kita yung moon dito. Another angle ng moon. Wow. So pretty.